All right, I'm about to hurt some feelings, but after 10 years in marketing and selling my agency, I've noticed 4 things that separate good marketers from bad ones. And if any of this triggers you, well, that's probably part of the problem. First up, you're not observant and you don't think deeply enough. Let me explain. Most people just scroll through social media, but good marketers, they're studying everything. Why certain ads work, why others fail, what makes people actually engage, like when was the last time you actually analyzed why you clicked on something, or why you bought something, or what made you stop scrolling. Second reason, and this might sting, you're emotionally insensitive. I don't mean that you're cold, I mean you can't read the room. You don't understand how people really feel, you're pushing features when people want feelings, solutions when they want understanding. Look at these 2 ads. This one's talking about industry-leading software features, and this one's talking about finally feeling in control of your business. Guess which one performed better? Third reason, you're culturally shallow. You're so focused on your product, your service, or your message that you've completely lost touch with what's actually happening in the real world. Great marketing isn't created in a bubble. It's created by people who understand culture, trends, and what matters to people right now. When's the last time you watched a show your audience loves, read what they're reading, listened to their music? You can't connect to people you don't understand. And the 4th reason, probably the biggest one, you're not really trying to get better. You're thinking watching a few YouTube videos or buying some course is enough. But real marketers, they're obsessed with learning, with testing, with understanding why things work or don't work. I read every single marketing book I could find, studied every successful campaign, tested everything. That's how we scaled to 50K months. And that's also how we got to a $1 million exit. Look, I know this might sound harsh, but here's the thing. Marketing isn't just about knowing the latest trends or having the best tools. It's about being genuinely curious about people, understanding emotions and motivations, staying connected to culture, always learning. And if any of this triggered you, good. Use that feeling to get better. So let me know in the comments what topics you'd like me to get real about next, marketing, business, or even personal growth. I've got plenty more truth bombs to drop for you. And hey, if you can handle the hard truth, hit that subscribe button. I'm sharing everything I learned. No filters, no bullshit, just real talk.